Hi guys, welcome to Printride, and today in this video I'm going to show how to assemble the 4x4 screen printing heavy duty machine. All the parts of the machine are containing in your package, and here is screen printing machine stand, bar plates, U bracket clamp, wooden pallets, 360-degree micro screen holding clamps, pallet bar, stand adjusting knob, shaft holding plate, high tension adjustable spring, pallet locker, pallet bracket holding screw, Allen screw, non 6 Allen key, bolt washer and nut, bolt and washer, stainless shaft, mid-size plate washer, shaft washer, 4 pieces of bearings. You are advisable to take a driller to tighten your pallet screw, or you can use a normal screwdriver, and you should have a normal spanner and a ring spanner, and the sizes of the spanner are mentioned below. This is a table adjusting knob. Now turn your stand and put all the 4 knobs on the stand for adjusting your floor level height. Turn the table, then put the soft holding plate. Now put 12 by 60 bolt to fixed and just tighten it up. Have to tighten it properly. All the 4 bolt. This is soft. You have to put the soft on the plate and just press it little bit. Take 12 by 40 bolt and washer and fix the washer and bolt in the down part. Tighten it up properly. Allen bolt and key, and you have to put the Allen bolt on the hole and tighten it up with your Allen key. Put the bolt on the other hole too as the same. Now put the bearing on the shaft. Before putting, you have to put little bit grease for your safety purpose. And now we are putting the bearing, and the tip of the bearing should be on the top. Now we are putting the plate. Just remember guys, while putting the plate, the shorter side should be on the top and the longer side should be in the down. And this is another bearing, and the bearing wider side should be on the top. Now this is bar, and remove the nut from the bar. This is called palate holding bar. Just place the nut, place the bolt on the holes, and please tighten it up slightly, not fully. Please remember, you have to tighten the nut slightly. Now this is the another bearing. Again you have to put. This time the narrow tip of the bearing should be on the top. Now put the another plate again you have to put another bearings. Put the bearing and the side should be on the top. This is again a mid-size washer. Just put the washer on it. Tighten it up. Now remove the half thread nut, and this is arms. You have to put the half thread nut again. Now we have to put the spring in the arm. So before putting the spring, we are removing the upper nut. Just remember guys, while putting the spring, the hook should be on your right hand side, and just pull it up little bit. While putting the spring, you should need a help from your colleague or your family member or any co-worker. Again, you have to put the nut, remove the top nut, put the spring, pull it little bit, and put the other nut. You have to tighten the nut. Again, you have to tighten the down nut too. Fix it properly for your safety purpose. Put all the spring in the same way. Now you have to put the stopper. The stopper remains just behind the arm. Put the stopper there. Have to put all the four stopper behind all four arms. Machine is almost ready. Now put the arms down while tightening it up the bar knob. Remember guys, while tightening up the bar knot, you have to always put the arms down. Before we are slightly tightening it up, now you have to fix it properly. This is the pallet bar locker. You have to put the locker on the tip. Locker is especially needed for locking the bar while printing for your correct registration. Now you have to put the back supporter screw. Put all the back supporter screw on all the arms. Now you're removing the U bracket clamp screw. Now put the U bracket clamp in the middle of the pallet and just put the screw with the help of driller. Put all the four screw for protecting the clamp. Now again put it back the screw. Our four pallets and the four clamps are ready. We are putting the pallet on the bar and tighten it up the screw below. Tighten it up properly and you can adjust the spring according to your comfortable way while printing. Thank you for watching our videos, and for more videos please subscribe to our channel and share it, comment it and follow it on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and please log on to www.printride.com and never forget to press the bell icon for fast notification.